Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to my channel, Not Too Shabby Chic. Today I have exciting news. I was selected, one of the very fortunate people to be selected to be on the design team for Happiness in Crafting with Gi Kerr. I was blown away, never expected that I would be selected, so I am so honored. But in any case, I'm getting ready to start my first design team project for February. And I wanted to first show you the pages of the kit I selected. So her digital kit that I selected is the Vintage Collage collection. And obviously, you guys know, if you're on my channel much, that I love grungy. I can take shabby chic and add some grunge. I could take anything and make it grungy. So hopefully Gi won't mind that, because she obviously knows my style because she looked at my channel. And Gi, I just want to say again how thankful I am that you gave me this opportunity, and I'm just blessed to be a part of your design team. So let's get going. So the Vintage Collage collection has several pages and separate ephemera. So we're going to show you. This is the first page. And what I did was printed them two-sided to show you, but that's the way I like to do them in my journal. So this is one page, but what she has 3 pages, this being one of them, that you could use for journaling on. So I backed each of the design pages with one of these pages. So there's one of the digitals, absolutely scrumptious. Look at the, just look at it, it's so pretty. And then I backed it with this page, which is page 1 of the kit, I think, and this is actually page 2. I love her little birdies. So this is one of the pages. Beautiful, beautiful. And then I backed it with a coffee dyed page that looks a little grungy, which I like. You see that faint little coffee stain up there. Love it, Gi. That's the second page. Third, another bird. Just made a rhyme. Just look at the designing. I just love it. And then I backed it with this, and it looks like a stage sort of. You see the over curtain there, and I just love that page. So that's the third page. It's the fourth with the clock, the butterfly, and the birds. She's got the script kind of running throughout. And I backed it with this page, which is really cool. Source of Paris. I'm not even going to try to read French because I would mutilate it, but you could journal on that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8 pages. Here's 9. Love, and I thought that's appropriate for February. I don't really do Valentine themed things, but this does have the word love, and we think of that with Valentine's. And I backed it with the same as that other page I've already shown you. So that's not, I've lost count. I'm not, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is page 10. Beautiful, beautiful. Every page is so pretty. And then I backed it with a coffee dyed sheet. So that's 10 pages. Now we get to the ephemera. I printed it on heavier, sort of a cream color cardstock. So these are journaling cards. And they're just like miniatures of the actual pages. Beautiful. I did not back them. I wanted them plain. I may coffee dye these using Gi's method with the paintbrush she showed yesterday in a little quick tutorial. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. Here are, I love her long little tags that she does, and I love that little bird. Then you've got some cool words. Love, luck. I don't really believe in luck. Vintage, Birds, Butterfly, Imagine, Romance, Inspire, Wish, Hope, Rose, Harmony, Peace, Dream. And 2 more miniature pages for journaling cards. Beautiful. Get lots of ephemera as well as those pages. And you can resize these when you print them and make the pages. I mean, you can make it more than what you get here just by resizing things. These are, and I love big tags. So here's 3 large tags that are super cool, and a belly band. So that's 1. That's 3. 4. 5. You get 6 sheets of ephemera, and you had 10 sheets of journal pages. So here are 3 more large tags. Like I said, you could resize, and I love these little long dangles. As G says, dingly danglies. It says much prettier, sounds much prettier when she says it, because I just love to hear her talk. So those are gorgeous. Here's 3 more large tags and 2 dingly danglies, or you can use them for little banners. There's just lots of things, and we'll see what I end up with in my journal. And here are 8 smaller little journal cards. So it is a beautiful kit, and I am super excited to do something with this. So stay tuned. It'll take me a little while because you all know I'm slow, but sometime in February I will have a journal or something similar to a journal made from this wonderful kit called the Vintage Collage Collection, and I will link that below. And I will also link below G's tutorial on painting the coffee onto the back of your pages, so that you'll have that as well. Know you are loved. I love you guys. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye bye.